I am back here at Dinan de Luca to have a date with my best friend since college, Erica. So this is what the place looks like. So while waiting, I'm going to order a coffee. So this is their new menu for drinks. So this is what I ordered. Iced sea salt caramel latte with cream cheese. Oh my god guys, sobrang sarap nito. Order this one talaga, swear super sarap. Then let's have a quick look at their menu. So I decided to order a grain bowl. This is the roast pork chipotle. Sobrang sarap nito guys. And Erica ordered the truffle porcini mushroom pasta. Hi Erica! So this is us. Super happy namin kasi ang tagal na namin hindi nagkita. And that's